Hello guys and welcome back. Earlier this year I made a video when I changed my variator kit to a new BGM PRO V2 variator kit, and I promised you to get back with my thoughts of this kit. So this is it. If you haven't seen the video where I installed the variator kit, I will drop a link in the description of the video. So you can have a look. But I think the main thing that you notice when installing this kit is that you get a better throttle response through all of the speed range, so to speak. Say that you're going from 50 to 70 or 80 to 100 or 30 to 50. Doesn't matter, it goes up faster, it accelerates faster, and even if you're going 100 to 120 it's going to get there quicker. So that's the main thing, I would say, that you get better acceleration, and you won't gain any top speed. This is pretty much the same as the original one, but you will get there quicker, and it feels like it gets maybe a bit of more torque and manage to get up to the top speeds much more easier than before. That's my feeling anyway, because when you get to 110 and then you're going to 120 on a stock bike, it can struggle a bit, or if you're going to 125 it's not going very quickly. It can be hard to get to that point, but now it's easier, I think. Another feeling that I have is that you get a higher speed at a lower rev range. I don't know if this is the case, but that's the feeling that I get anyway, that you manage to get a little bit higher speed at a low rev range. But that's just my feeling. On another Vespa I had, I installed a Malossi Multivar kit, and comparing this BGM to the Malossi, I would say this is definitely much better, according to me. Here you can actually feel a difference, whereas on the Malossi I didn't notice anything actually. So I feel this is much better than the Malossi, so I can recommend this kit. So, as I said, I think this variator kit makes a good upgrade on the performance of the bike. But to anyone who's going to buy a variator kit to their Vespa, despite which manufacturer they're choosing, they can't expect that it will get a huge difference in performance. It won't be like a new bike. It makes a small difference to the better, but you're never with a variator kit going to get a huge performance lift, so you should know that when buying a variator kit. So do I think it's worth the money, this kit? Well, I would say like this: if you are at a point where you're going to have a scheduled maintenance of your bike, where you should change the belt and rolls of the variator kit, the original belt and rolls, then I would rather put in a few bucks extra and buy a new kit like this BGM PRO V2 rather than buy the original stuff. So if you are at a point where you are going to change the original one, I'd rather buy this one and get a performance upgrade. That's my thoughts.